So, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Welcome again to Shara Inspires. So, let's go on with our topic about the boy child. The boy child has been let down by parents who are fathers, mothers, and also guardians. The girl child has been empowered, she's up here, and the boy child is down here, he's lagging behind. So, please, the boy child, what you need to know is that first and foremost, I recommend that you work on yourself. Work on your self esteem. Get to know, who am I? Where am I coming from? Look at your childhood up to whatever age you are now. What are your hobbies? Sometimes your hobbies also, later in life, they can become a career. What do I want to become? Depending on also what age you are at. And what is your passion also, because it's best when you also do something you love in this life. We were not just created to get bored in this life. So the moment you know who you are and love yourself, then only can you be able to love a woman when she comes into your life. Then only can you be able to love a career when you choose it. I also recommend a career that is a bit technical. For example, electrical, engineering, also carpentry. These are good skills for any man to have. I'm coming from a background where I was brought up by a dad who used to own a toolkit. He was a do-it-yourself kind of man. He had everything from a hammer to nails, and he always used to fix things, which every woman finds valuable. So you don't have to fear or panic if a woman is more financially stable than you are, if a woman is more intelligent than you are, if a woman is more fast in understanding matters or even the do-it-yourself department, if she's good at it, do not feel offended or feel a lesser man. Just stick to being the best you are, and you'll add value to this woman. The worst is if you meet a woman you like, and or maybe a woman you love, and you feel challenged that she's better off than you. It happens, and this is what our boys are not told. Life is not just about men don't cry. Men should also cry depending on what situation. Surely, if you lost your mother or the death of a loved one, shouldn't you cry? You can cry. So we should allow our sons to cry when necessary. Otherwise, they end up suppressing so much emotions and they become tough and emotionless men. And the women are not able to relate to this. So please, men, this is important. There's a soft side of you that women love, and you should also work on it. It doesn't mean when you show your soft side that a woman will sit on you. Most men who are called sat on are men who are working as a team with either their partners, their girlfriends, or their spouses. But these other men who are wild and dictators, the Mr. Know-it-all, you'll find that they don't progress much, and anything they do, it's like a push and pull with their spouses, so which doesn't work well. So please, because I believe in marriage, I believe in relationships, and I want young men out there to get married, to find the beautiful girls out there to get to marry, and I want the girls out there to find that they are attractive young men they can court and get married to. So please don't just go on Facebook and look for girls, and then when you meet them face to face, you find that the moment you get intimate with them, the relationship ends. Please don't let your ego get to you. If you don't have money, you don't have a job, be honest and tell her that you don't have money nor a job, but tell her what you do. As long as you're doing something, that's what a woman wants to know. She's able to know your goals, your vision, your purpose. So the moment you know yourself, then only will you be able to love yourself and love a woman in return. And most important, learn to speak the truth. Most women believe that men are liars, but not all men are liars. We are all individuals, and so are our male children, the boy child, and the men. So please love yourself, know yourself, then only can you be able to pass on this love to other people. The moment you have the me moments, whereby you analyze your weaknesses and your strengths, then only will you be able to accept yourself the way you are. So let me hear from you. Let me hear how you are handling it from your countries, different countries as well. And clouds of blessings. Asanteni sana.